What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to reset the oil life after an oil change, as well as reset the service interval reminder on a 2026 Hyundai Tucson. So taking a look at our center screen, if we're not already there, go ahead and click the home button in the lower left-hand corner here. From the home screen, I'm going to scroll over and click Setup. From this screen, I'm going to click Vehicle. From here, I'm going to click Convenience. That's going to take us to this page. We can see our oil change reminder here, and then it will show the remaining oil life percentage. This one's already been reset, but we'll go through it again. In order to reset the oil life, we're going to click Reset. And then it's basically just asking, do we want to confirm that the oil has been changed? Click Yes. And as you can see, the oil life has now been reset. And if it wasn't already, it would be back to 100%. Now for the service interval, we'll go ahead and click that. Now the service interval can be toggled on or off. You can see this one's currently off. In order to turn it on, we'll just click it like that. And then from here, you can set the distance. I'll click back to get to this screen, or the duration. And you'll just enter what you want to track there. Click back. And then once you have your times set, or your distance or interval rather, in order to reset it, you'll just click Reset. And then it's basically just asking, do we want to confirm? Yes. And then those distance and time would have been reset back to the original distance or time that you put in. But I'm going to go ahead and leave this interval off. And then we can click back to get out to this screen. And then that is it. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.